Welcome to my channel. How to set up GL-init routers for the first time. If you are a TF card on your router, make sure you insert TF card before you turn on the router. Connect the power into the router's power port. The router will automatically turn on. There are two methods for connecting the router to your devices. If you are connecting via cable, connect an Ethernet cable in the router's LAN port to your computer. If you are connecting via Wi-Fi on your computer, search for the router's SSID and enter the password, which is printed on the bottom label of the router. Enter 192.168.8.1 to access the admin panel. Select your preferred language. Create a new password. There are four methods to connect to the internet: Ethernet, repeater, tethering, and cellular. It is suitable in a home environment for establishing a wired connection to a modem or an Ethernet wall socket in the router's WAN port to the modem. If you have successfully connected to the internet, you should see a light blue icon next to your Ethernet network. The second method is repeater. To start, click on Connect under the repeater section. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. If you have successfully connected to the internet, you should see a light blue icon next to your Wi-Fi network. The third method is tethering. To start, connect your phone to the USB port via cable. Select the network source and click Connect. You should see a light blue icon next to your tethering network. The fourth method is cellular. To start, simply insert the USB modem into the router's USB port. The cellular network should be automatically established if you have successfully to the internet. Thanks for watching.